Now, away from the political developments, we've just received breaking news right now that several people are feared dead after a modern coast bus from Meru that was heading to Mombasa plunged into the Tharaka Nithi River in Tharaka Nithi County. Rescue efforts are still ongoing, and our team is definitely trying to follow up on this story for you, and we shall bring you more updates as of when we get them. But that's the latest. A modern coast bus has just plunged into that particular river around Tharaka Nithi, plunged into River Nithi rather, at the Nithi Bridge Black Spot in Tharaka Nithi County. We're still trying to get more information even as rescue operations are ongoing. We understand police are on site and will definitely get more information for you in regards to that unfortunate turn of events. Well, apart from that, let's take a short break right here on Checkpoint. As we come back, a lot more in store for you. We've just highlighted the campaign trail of the Kenya Kwanza team. We'll be back with how Azimio campaigned today